In this video, I will show you how to add funds on Kraken. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Kraken account. So if you don't have an account, you're going to create one and then log into the homepage of your Kraken account. To add funds to Kraken, you can deposit cash or cryptocurrencies using a variety of methods. The specific options available will vary based on your location. To find out the methods that you have, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the home page, and from the home page, you're going to click on deposits. Now here you can see you have cash here as US dollar available to add cash, and you have other cryptocurrencies here. Now, if you want to deposit cash into your Kraken account, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the US dollar option, and you have three options to add cash to your Kraken account. You can use a linked bank transfer, you can use PayPal, and you can use wire transfer. Now, with the linked bank transfer, as you can see, I already have my bank linked to it, but you can also add a couple of banks to your Kraken account using Plaid. Now, Plaid is more like a middleman between your cryptocurrency account and your bank account, and they make the two institutions speak to each other. So you can use that, or you can come back and you can use the PayPal method, which is going to lead you directly to PayPal, and you're going to add your PayPal account to it, or you can use a wire transfer to add the money into your account. Now, you also have the options to also add other cryptocurrencies. Say we want to add a Theta crypto to our Kraken account, we can use that. But after you select it, you need to select the network that you want to use. And once you select the network, it's important that you use the same network to send from where you're sending from, because this is going to be the receiving end. But from the sending end, you're going to use the same network, and you're going to use the same cryptocurrency. And once you click on I understand, it's going to give you a QR code and an address to receive the funds. And from there, your funds should automatically show up in your portfolio. Now, that's how to add funds on Kraken. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.